Ba't nandyan ka? Nasa kalaban man. Hi vlog, wala na kaming tulog ulit. Palagi na lang kaming walang tulog.
Hi guys, we finally landed here in Hong Kong. Time check, it's 9:40 a.m. and this is our second time here. And we are with our family. Over there. And over here. Carl.
Energetic kaya.
Please hold on.
We are now here at Rosedale Hotel, guys. I'm going to check in. Yeah, good.
The first time din sa akong parents.
Sa'yo mong papa lang.
Akong papa. Financer. Thanks, financer. Surprise na to sila sa mga para pamamakdo. Fast food gaming na naman kami. Walang humpay na pagpa-fast
First
food.
and last fast food for this vlog. Extra. Ano part?
Ano part nito? Walang rice.
Walang
Sad
rice.
boy na si walang rice. Ako din.
It was expected. But
So bye guys. Mag-sleep sa amin then maglako na liters. Bye!
What the heck? Ba't nandyan ka? Hey guys, happy kayo mi guys. Naabot na po magbalik dari sa Hong Kong. Pero saag-saag na po, di na maiwasan. 100 lagi barato na. 990. Pili rin ko na mag-ano lang. Mag-short. Isa na ba?
sultan ako.
Size 9.
Alay?
Kung na kayo yung date sa tao, date sa ay, patanaw. Thank you.
Mahalaan eh, gano'n ka ng pang baby na sapatos. So guys, ganito sa Hong Kong guys. Isa ka ice cream, tag 100. At tubig 100, taran 100. Yeah, tayo. Mga kung Pinas eh, 20 rin eh. Saan naabot ang 20 mo?
Shout out to Rhea. Nasuot na ko siya after 5 years.
Mainit na dito guys. Ba't naman ganito?
Kainit.
Ngayon, kinaka-sunblock ko ba eh? So guys, nanami karon sa picture sa tadri kaya. Hey guys, second day na namo. Ay second time na namo nakadto diri sa Disneyland. Last time na mo ato diri ginaano pang castle, gina-renovate. So karon amo ang witness ang ano pod, ang fireworks. So hantod alas 9 pa mi diri. So 10 AM pa. So sakyan na to ng rides guys. Let's go! Let's go!
Over my head, wanna get away. So sweet, just like pink lemonade. Over my head, wanna get away. I'll be your sweet girl. What's your secret? Watch me a little closer and tell me. On the floor,
Guys, this is our first ride.
Grabe kainit.
Grabe, mga haggard ang manaw sa mga first ride pa gani.
First ride.
Tuwa pa gay yun naka-ride.
Nagpila pa lang.
所以呢，我们还没有机会。The elephant how to use the shell. Okay, Spanish. Since the father elephant is happy today, but I don't think anyone wants to get away at this moment. So I think we should run now. Be careful, explorers at the back.
Mga wang tigol, sige pangkapoy na.
Oo, natalan. Kasi ko naman namilin.
Sige pangkapoy na ang mga wang tigos. Garda na ba ninyog naong? Atong, kuya ba kay kung si mamong outfita na maraga ng ano ba? Konsihala ba? Grabe tao guys. Wala na guys dito. Hoy, mga bit ka Woody! Rusty girl!
away, says we just like an over my head, wanna get away. I'll be your sweet girl. What's your secret? Watching the little cross around down there on the floor.
Hello guys, good morning. This is our second day and we're going to Macau. Hello baby, happy anniversary. Anniversary day namo karon guys. Love you so much. Hello Disney princess, I love you so much Disney princess. Let's go.
Hello guys, we are going to Macau. Fit check ba? Fit check. 1, 2, 3. Fit check daw sa mga amigo be. NB team, NB. Hey guys, padulong kami og immigration. Padulong Macau.
Pila ka oras magbiyahe? Pila ka oras biyahe padulong Macau?
45 naman daw.
45 minutes sa among biyahe padulong Macau guys. So magsakay lang mig bus. Last time kay nag-ano mi ferry.
Guys, we are finally here in Macau. So, hanap lang kami ng bus na libre. Papunta kami ng Parisian Hotel for lunch. And see you there. Bye!
Guys, hindi na kami nakapag-video kasi napaka-busy namin picture-picture. Update na rin may karon sa Londoner. Ipaningot ng mga auntie niya.
Guys, we are currently at Senado Square and we'll take a picture sa St. Paul ruins and look at my hair, it's so bongkag na.
Gikan lang nagulan dali tapos nihunong rapod ay.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Guys, we are returning na to Hong Kong because we're so pagod and there's just too much people here. I can't, and it's too humid.
Milk tea is where we go.
And we can't find any milk tea na gusto namin galin. So, wala, uwi. So, now we are boarding the ferry going back to Hong Kong because pagod kaming mag-commute and it cost us 2,000 pesos each because May night differential daw ang kanilang fare for the boys
time.
So next time, pagpalit na lang mo sa Klook, tapos pag ferry na lang mo, kay hago kayo. Ay na magbas-bas, ay na pagbida-bida. So guys, we finally made it here sa The Big Crab na entrance pa lang. And pasaka namin sa The Beach.
Hello.
Picture sa picture. Ano ito mga gawos?
Mana? Dato, ito lah. Mali kayo ka.
Labay. Ah, ang ganda ng auntie mo. Ako.